Oh yes. Well, so far today I can't fucking see. So yeah, it's going to be interesting today. Hopefully the rain disappears. It's all good. My 4-wheel drive wasn't working, it just 2-wheel drive at the start and it just spun, so...
That all-wheel drive, is it?
Yeah.
Oh, no fucking chance.
Yeah.
You better go on the track.
Yeah, oh man, fucking hell.
Oh, you fucking beaut! You better go here and find what is that going? Wow.
Yeah, I've got the track with that.
Crashed it? Ah, it did. You can actually see the oil. What's that launching it?
Eh?
That second gear again?
Yeah, all second gear, yeah. I put my launch control fucking 380.
Try that.
Boost, by the way.
Eh?
If I leave really low boost, like actually out of boost, it does alright, but it just lights up the wheels, all four, just straight up like so.
That's the same that I do with the Fabia. I tend to launch it off boost,
Yeah.
and then use the boost threshold as a traction control system.
Get it, I think with that. So. What the fuck's on here? This fucking suspension.
It's like a suspension fault.
Yeah. The door and press down.
Aye, look at the front here, your fucking like cheer stands there. It's gone down.
Is it?
Aye.
All four wheels just fucking straight up, woof. But if I launch it, yeah, the traction control's on every one. If I launch it at half a bar, just to see the green one there, that's wheel spin.
Yep.
That's what it should be.
Yep.
And this is the wheel spin here.
So basically when you let off is when it basically matches up. Pretty
Yeah,
much.
yeah, when I let off the throttle, yeah, it comes back down again.
I don't know if you watched that officially last guy. Watch him. Yeah. No, was it?
4.4 seconds. Oh! Holy shit!
Fuck.
That's an airbag fucking
That came down in my head.
Yeah?
That came down in my head.
Aye, that's a bag burst there.
That's alright, I've got a cloth.
Take it easy on me. My numbers come off already. I'm a wee bit less nervous today knowing that I'm not going to do any fast times. This one maybe be
We're just having fun.
Oh yeah, this is having fun. Especially after my fucking airbag blew up.
I'll get a claim in for that, don't worry.
I get clear of it. See, before I go, can you get the window a good wipe?
Aye, well, I've got a cloth, maybe. I'm going to wait until you're about to go and then do it. There's no point in doing it now, getting it wet and then... Eh?
That'll be mini traction control shit hot up there. There's no wheel spin one.
Well, hopefully this will be the same. Fuck's sake. I didn't know you'd went back round.
Oh yeah, I just come round again, hot lapping the bitch. Second. I got my draggy to work that time.
10.6 at 142.
10.6, 142.
Give me a shout next time you go out. I want to see what it's like over the back.
I know,
give me a shout.
Aye, therefore. 10.6.
10.6.
So I like to beat that.
Yeah. Man, street tires day. I heard some guy put me on some point now if you can't even drive on the street on tires. Like, fine, then I put these on and you go faster. You don't.
Then they don't go back.
I know. Yeah. The slicks are just like, for me, they're just a dampening thing, stop snapping stuff.
Is that your boost?
Yeah. It's getting there, man, it's getting there. Don't know if I should put more boost in or not though.
I think you could probably put it in sooner.
I can't. Because look, see here, see the green? That's my wheel spin. That's what the blue is what it should be. The first 5 seconds is wheel spinning all four. If I put any more boost in it, it'll just spin it even more. So
It doesn't look too far off it though, it's getting there.
well, it's showing 100 kilometers an hour there, and the other one's doing 75, so it's 20 kilometers an hour over what it's supposed to be. You can only pull in like 0.6 of a G.
Yeah.
It drops off to 0.2, so
It usually launches harder than that.
yeah. Oh no, definitely. No, it's too slippy. There's no other question to it. Let's have a look at fueling. Amazing, like so.
Yeah.
Lambda. Oh my god, perfect. I'm happy with Lambda. Next one I want to look at is coolant pressure. This is the one. This is the dodgy one if the head gasket's gone or not.
This is where you need your PD150 head bolts.
Yeah. Oh man, head gasket's good. That tells me I need more boost.
2.2 bar, 6 seconds in.
Aye, fucking hell. If it was a prep track I could, no bar. So nitrous, stage 2. Switch that off, it'll give me more power, it'll give me 2 degrees more timing. Graham, if I want to go faster!
This is proper wheel drive.
Yeah. This is not cheating.
RX7 go for another run.
We take our final thoughts.
Yeah?
Our final thoughts of the day.
Final thoughts for the day. It was a fucking class fun day. The car performed great, the engine performed great. We got up to 2 bar of boost, 5 seconds into the run. But most importantly, we got traction control dialed in. We're doing 10-second passes in the wet. Like look at this rain. So there's pros, there's lots of pros. There's lots of pros. So the rangy blowing up, the airbag, that was a bit of shit. Sorry you got hit.
Aye, my head's a bit.
Yeah.
Maybe it's knocked some sense into me.
Nah, can't imagine. So
A fuel economy run.
yeah.
Fuel economy run.
Oh yeah, it'd be good to see. Although I'm on a lot of ethanol, so I might actually drain the ethanol out and just put pump in it.
Yeah.
Because that's a bit of a waste, isn't it? It's like fucking 107 quid for 12 litres or something like that. But yeah, no, had a good day. Fastest car of the day again. By like 2 seconds or something like that.
Yeah.
Car is fucking getting rapid, so it's good dialing it in and having fun with it. So. On the way home, baby! Let's drive this thing home. have fucking cruise control? Mine does.